Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool 2500 desk telephone, and this is Jose's equipment from Georgia, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. There's a note with this unit, and it's talking about everything works on this telephone except for you cannot dial out, so you can't make calls with this telephone. Now we've troubleshooted a little bit, and we know that we need to go through the keypad a little further, but we also want to mention that this telephone does not have a Polarity Protect circuit, so we want to install a Polarity Protect circuit, and we'll take care of that issue. Now we also know that the modular line cord port at the back of the unit is working, but it has a cosmetic issue, and we'll go ahead and take care of that issue. We will be troubleshooting the entire telephone while it's in the shop, and any issues that we find we'll go ahead and take care of. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool 2500 desk telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with all of our repairs, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkout, it's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier behind the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it. Press it one more time and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now what we want to do is walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and move the line cord over to a line out, and we'll call the time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. We want to thank you for calling our time and temperature service. And to make a request, please tell your friends and family about us. We want to provide this service to as many people as we can. Today is Wednesday, November 19th. The current time, 9:37 p.m. and the temperature, 59 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool 2500 desk telephone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Jose and they can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.